Hello friends, welcome to Namaste English. Friends, today we have brought very interesting story, The Hunter and the Pigeons. Friends, once there was a flock of pigeons lived on a banyan tree. One day, the pigeons were flying in search of food. They saw plenty of grains on the ground. All of them decided to come down on the ground to pick up grains. But it was a trap laid by a hunter. All the pigeons were trapped in the net which the hunter had spread on the ground. The pigeons were very sad and feeling dejected. They thought their end is near. The leader of the pigeons was a wise pigeon. He asked the flock of pigeons not to lose hope. He said that if all of them made a joint effort, they would be able to fly away with the net. So all the pigeons tried in unison, and finally they were able to fly along with the net. The hunter could do nothing but repent at seeing the pigeons flying away. After flying for a long time, they reached a place where an old friend of the pigeon king lived. It was a rat. The pigeon king called for his friend, and then the rat came out of his hole. Once the rat understood the whole story, the rat called his friends. All the rats worked on the net and they set the pigeons free from the net. The moral of the story is unity is the strength. Thank you for listening to this story.